Fear. It's a human emotion. Still, it's probably for the best that you can't see my face. I'm sure you're wondering where you are right now. Don't worry. You'll be in good hands. Oh, don't strain yourself trying to speak, my dear. Providing the chasers with outside knowledge is prohibited. We remove the voices from all of our links. It's better being safe than sorry. I'm sure you have many questions. However, without the ability to ask, I'm unable to tell. That being said, if the chasers don't accept you, there'll be no reason to explain anything anyway.
Because you'll cease to exist.
Now, wherever shall we put you? Ah, yes. He's been trying to keep himself out of trouble lately. How about we cause a little chaos?